Conversational marketing, aka chatbots, is one of the fastest growing forms of lead generation today. BizIQ recognized this trend and developed our very own chatbot to serve the needs of our clients and give them a competitive edge. Our chatbot is included at no cost on all our local SEO subscriptions and has already been a game changer to many of our small business clients.
Enabling the BizIQ chatbot gives your customers and potential customers a fast and easy way to request information from your business at any time, day or night. In a nutshell, it can be a lead generating machine. So let's run through how the BizIQ chatbot works. Jane wants to have the kitchen of her dreams, and she's looking for quotes from local kitchen and bathroom remodelers. Like 95% of consumers, she turns to Google for answers. She opens their Google My Business listing, reads a few reviews, browses at all the great photos. This company looks reputable, and a friendly BizIQ chatbot shows up to help her find the answers. Jane spends less than 3 minutes providing her contact information and a little bit about what she's looking for. Meanwhile, John at Dream Kitchens gets a notification of a new lead. He clicks over to his BizIQ back office, checks the chatbot tab, and finds a new request from Jane. Now John knows that in order to have the best chance at turning Jane into a new customer, he needs to respond and he needs to do it fast. He clicks the phone number Jane provided through the chatbot. They schedule a consultation, and the rest is history.
Now consider what might have happened if John hadn't reached out to Jane's request ASAP. Jane probably submitted quote requests to other companies. One of John's competitors is able to get back with Jane before he can. Now, while responding to her first request doesn't guarantee that she will become a customer, it does dramatically increase the chances of his competitor striking a deal.
Statistics show that consumers expect a response within 4 hours. The reality is the average business response time range is somewhere between 10 and 24 hours. Unfortunately, 85% of your consumers won't call your business back again. So it's up to you to respond as quickly as possible. If you don't take action on that lead ASAP, your chances of closing the deal sharply declines.
So, in short, Chatbot is an amazing tool to help you level up your business. Chatbot ensures not a single website visit from a potential customer is wasted. This is especially helpful in times when website traffic might be low. It allows your business to capitalize on what little traffic you are receiving. And when web traffic is high, it allows you to rake in the sales because Chatbot is fully functioning and on your website 24/7. Have questions about BizIQ Chatbot and how to leverage it to obtain more leads and increase your revenue? Give us a call, we're happy to help.